in the whip on the strip, get the strip in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the fam, this is why I need.
There's an army rising up. Hey y'all, my regular post is closed today, so I work somewhere else from 6 to 2. From last week I said I was going to try Smash Burger because I never tried a Smash Burger. Oh yeah, look at my hair. Y'all see my hair? Y'all see it? The shrinkage is real. But I did clip that. I just clip it and I was like looking even. And I love that for myself because I didn't like how it would look. It was so uneven, especially the front part. I'm gonna go to the bank and then I'm gonna go to Smash Burger. I do want to try it. And then I'm gonna go to Aldi and I'm going to. I have to focus my hair. Sorry. Bro, hurry up. You're taking too slow. I'm going to this bank to get some Morola because I'm going to see my papa tomorrow. So I need some money to pay these people. Because every time I let them take it on my car, they charge me extra. Don't tell me. I think something to eat. I didn't eat much today. So, alright, so I got Smash Burger right here. I'm gonna try it. Hopefully it tastes good. Hope. I'm looking for Smash Burger. I'm about to go shopping right now. Alright, y'all. We're going into Aldi. Shut up, cat. So now I'm just showing out a cart. Look, no cart. Oh, I see one in the parking lot. I'm gonna go get it. Oh, that's why. These people leave them in the parking lot. Don't bring them back. I am not walking all the way down there. Why is it X277? That's too much. I'm not buying that for a dozen. A dozen eggs. I'm gonna pay tomorrow. So I'm gonna go to Walmart. Hopefully I could get the pack that I usually get from Walmart. Because the last time I had, they went there, they didn't have it. They don't have that no more for some reason. So I need some yogurts. Let me get like 2 yogurts. A blueberry one. I like blueberry. I'm gonna take 2 blueberry. So I can eat it with some granola or something. I don't like how this one looks. I didn't know they had this here. Oh, it's a bottle once. Pink Lady. I thought it was plastic. I never had this, you know. Is this good? Pink Lady apple. The other one is passion fruit. I don't know. Should I try this? What did it do? 10% juice, 15 sugars. Green tea. Happy Guts. Oh, okay. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if I want this. I'm going to look on TikTok to see what it's about. And then if I want it, I'll come back and get it. If not, I'm leaving right there. This is the market. Walk this way and get the salmon. I got no salmon, yo. Damn. Scan back. So we're finished with Aldi. Now we're gonna go to ShopRite. Inspired. Avocado, which is $1.74. I'm trying to go get like Probably, should I get one? I'm gonna get one. I probably gonna go to Walmart tomorrow and get it less than this. Should I buy it? I'll buy one. I'm not gonna do too much. I was gonna get more than one, but I changed my mind. I'll just come over here and get some watermelon. This one not red enough. It's not red enough at all. This one right here, 262. Ooh, 258. Ooh, and this one is even bigger. Look at that. It's way bigger than that one, and it's 262, and it's redder. I'm getting this one. I need a bag. Hold on. Pumpkins. See, these are big ones right here. Oh, they got the strawberry, the Rita stuff for $1. They small. These should be like 75 cents. Oh, they got the Seagram one too. Oh, I didn't see these. Oh, what's this? I'm about to try this one. Well, I know I tried this flavor before, and they got the buzz balls, but I never had this. I'm gonna stick to this because I don't want nothing crazy. Oh, is this $1 too? Pineapple cherry lime. Spiked. Of course, spiked. This is 3% alcohol, 3.2 alcohol. How much is in this one? 8. Oh, I feel like we're gonna put both of them in the car. Can't be happening. I just got a wake up call. Look at this, sugar free. That's good. I was gonna get first. I'm like, is it sugar free? I'm like, it does look light. It does look light. And they got the strawberry one right here. How do I breathe? Please don't you hear from the sun? Ain't no love for me to the light. It's interesting. Oh, look at this. I love blueberry, but look at this crazy. This looks crazy. This is not muffin tops. I never had muffin tops. This looks so good. It's not. Damn. Oh, big back. I'm not about to do that. Anyway, chicken foot. It's called chicken paws. Then right, chicken foot in them. $4. But I don't want that right now. I used to come here and get chicken for like $4 or $5. But now I'm gonna get 2 of these because this looks so good. I feel like I wanna buy this. I'm gonna get this and make some like a burger with it because it's steak. You know, like make it in a burger. You know, you see how it's shaped? Yeah, I get what I'm saying. I got this one to buy something. That looks good. Look at these, 89 cents. This is what I need. I need to get like 20. And they got the pasta one right here. Got this one. Got the Z one. Should I get both or should I get one? Well, I like how these are small because you know the other ones they're so big. I'm gonna get 20 each. I put like one of the spaghetti. Oh, they got the sauce for $1 over here. Oh, look at this. Hold on now. I'm gonna get 2. Oh, this is small. The plastic one. Traditional one. Oh, they got different. Oh, they got flavors. Okay, so the traditional and garden combo. Okay. I get 2 of them. I hope I have space. Or should I get one? I'm gonna get one. No, I'm gonna get 2. It can't be this price. I don't come here often and see this price, okay? I mean, so I ate this one time. I honestly like it. It's not all that. It's okay, but it's not all that. I guess I must buy a food cake or a bulla. Which one? And it's small. Look at the small it be. Why are they so small? Between the $3.79, $3.99. Why is it 2 different prices? I don't want ginger. Okay. One is ginger, one is regular. Ginger. This is actually soft. It's not even hard. It's really soft. For I don't know if I'm gonna get this though. I'm trying to not have rolls on my back. So the one that's there, I'm gonna get rid of it. What's the dollar guava jelly here? I saw how much it was at the dollar store. Oh yeah, it was for something. Pineapple. Oh, they got pineapple. Y'all ever see this? I never saw this. They got sauteed onion, basil, ginger, garlic. Wow. The ginger one. Okay. This is okay. Oh, I don't know what to say. So they got $3.29 for these eggs. Nah, man. I'm going to have the 24 pack. Or the 18 pack. That's what I really want. I haven't had eggs in so long. The Bowl and Basket one is a little pricey, more expensive. So this one says $1.99. So we're gonna get this one. Oh, this is cream cheese. Oh yeah. Oh, it got cream cheese in it. Okay, whatever. I don't even care. They got, look at that. Oh, this one right here is $4.99. How much is in there? 18. Oh, $5 for this. This is not bad. It's actually not bad. Alright, first, you know what? I'm gonna check Walmart first and see if it's more at Walmart. I'm gonna leave it and then I'll come back to this. Yep, that's how I shop. I don't care. I can wait. Okay, here's my cards. I'm done shopping. I'm not buying nothing else.
Anything else?
If you looking past and see this, hey, you know everything watermelon is for me. Like it's a sorbet cake. What? Damn, $13 though. Good child. It's not even a whole cake. It looks like it's got a half or a quarter in there. Like, oh no. But look at this cake batter. Come on, you know that's good. I'm making one more stuff. I'm getting these. I'm getting a ginger and a watermelon, and that's it. I'm gonna go check out. That's it. Aw, so cute. This one says blessed. Other candles. So cute. I don't know what time I came out here, but I'm now leaving. It's 7 o'clock. We gonna walk to the bus stop. I got home like after 8:20. I'm so tired. I didn't wash my face yet. I took my clothes off and come lay in the bed for a little bit. Oh my god, I'm so tired. There's mascara on my face. Anyways, I'm about to edit this mukbang and then go in the shower. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm tired. Oh, my hair don't look crazy. Oh, my hair do not look crazy because honestly, I washed it and I didn't even do nothing to it but put some mousse and try to flat iron the top because I didn't have time to do anything else. So I hope I'm not looking too crazy. But I just got to the van and this man not here and I had to call them. She's like, oh, he's in the bathroom. I'm like, oh. Where is this man? 12 o'clock past already, you know. You must have when I left me if me didn't late. I see how they late though. Them can be late, but you can't be late. That's how they stay. I mean, my nose is sweating. We don't look too crazy. You look decent. I think. Because I didn't do anything to it. Like I said, I just put this wig on. Because yesterday it was looking really nice. So I don't know why I look like this now today. I didn't even wear it yesterday. What's that? If me drop my phone one more time. I mean, I'm gonna do that phone. By the time I drop phone, I'm fix phone. Jesus. I'm gonna do that phone one. I'm gonna do that phone at all. I'm very clumsy. I don't know. I never used to be like this. I don't know what's going on. You okay? The flies bothering you? The flies bothering him. Alright, come.
Just need a box.
Yeah, it's not your box. Come. Leave it. Hi. What's your name?
Kimani.
Kimani what?
Kimani.
Say it.
Say it.
Kimani what?
Mommy.
No, what's your last name?
Your father.
What's your last name?
Brown Kimani.
Kimani Brown.
Kimani Brown.
Look at my child. Come here. Turn around. Look at my grown child. Look at him. Got hair. Listen. Stop growing. Okay? Oh, it's a mosquito. Oh, that's what you was. Oh, that was a freaking mosquito. I got all of this right here. You want a nugget? Thank you. I haven't eaten KFC in so long. So 2007. So I'm like, I am not eating American KFC. But look at me. Kimani dragged me here, y'all. Let me. It's four. Look at this. Yo, they big. For something, this is big. Look at that. Let me show y'all. I need this. I'm gonna get this. Oh, wait, because I did buy watermelon yesterday though. Should I get this one or should I get a smaller one? Wish they had the yellow watermelon. You know what? I'm gonna leave it.
Stew it.
Oh, like grill it?
Yep.
I never see bologna like this. Oh, look, it's peppery. It's spicy, hot. What's this one? Oh, the same. Why does this one look so old? This one looks old.
More flavor.
You said more flavor. This is American meat and chitlins.
You don't eat it?
No, I'm American. I don't eat this shit. Pork chitlins. I don't eat this. I never had this. You ate it before?
No, hell no. I would never try that. That's disgusting.
Look at that price. That should say $21.99 for this shit.
I don't care what they say. I would never. Skinny house and all sorts. That is a doodle bag shit, okay?
Is that the one with the honey? The honey one tastes so good. Look at this. This is different. And they got the chocolate one. They got the brownie, the lava. If you want to eat it like that, you can make it on eggs. Oh, banana. What are you doing? What is that? Look at this. This reminds me of Little Rascals. This is the cart so
Anytime
far.
you need to eat, we'll like Uber Eats or send you our food. We'll send it to you.
Anyways,
We'll make it and we'll send it to you.
look at the jumbo cookie.
Right? And that's worth a cookie from McDonald's. Look how big that is. That's worth it.
Yeah, this is huge.
That's big.
I don't want to eat these stuff though. Come on. You want cookie?
Yeah.
Look, I got say something.
This part scares you and then you take it off and like, ooh, I say something.
Look, I got say something.
Put more flour.
I'm not eating this. You don't want to eat this thing. Why? I never had it. What the hell? Look at this.
Bagging area.
Never again.
Place your item in the
All
bagging
right.
area. Touch
Look.
return to scan
We went
more
down to put
items
my
with coupon.
coupon in there. All right, pay. Card.
Please wait.
I got into my card.
How you take out the donator?
It's up for this. How much save? Like $6? Why am I putting my phone number? Shit.
You still in.
Unable to process your payment. Please
No,
try
I'm putting my
again or
phone
press
number. You
Please select your
distracted me.
payment and please wait. System processing. Please follow the instructions on the PIN pad.
That's funny. I'm gonna be putting my phone number. No cashback. Yes.
So you don't do no cash back, but you donate.
It's 70 cents.
That's a can of tuna right
What a gift to receive.
with some lace chips, Gatorade on the side, and you're good.
What's wrong with this man?
See how hot it is?
Oh yeah, there go the can right here. There go. There's a can like that. The Seagram. No, I'm saying I bought 2 of those yesterday. From ShopRite, yeah. It was $1. I'm not trying to get drunk. I was trying to feel a little,
Don't
you
feel
know.
nothing, then.
Shut up.
Don't feel absolutely nothing.
Just because you want to get drunk all the time.
Yeah, right?
Not me. It's not. It's hot. It's hot. I was gonna make you want to wear a jacket. Oh my god. You see, I'm hot. I'm hot right now.
Bake him up.
I'm freaking hot right now. You okay, baby?
Yeah.
Kamani singing. Kamani was rapping when I got in the house. He was rapping Drake. #1 stunner. He's too grown for me. Talking about #1 stunner. The papa with matching. Never seen this before.
I might have to stay.
This Dollar Tree out here got body sprays, yo. It's a 7-ounce though, but it's still. My Dollar Tree the Dollar Tree in Brooklyn don't have these stuff. What's going on? But I don't need no body spray right now. I'm not even gonna lie. I have so many perfume and stuff that I don't even use yet. And these edge control stuff, they work. I got this one. This is what I'm using right now.
What's that?
Yeah. I saw these in Jamaica. Look at that. They have it. I didn't even know they would have had it here. There's a big one over here. What? Yo, look at this. Like, what? So what? Look at that. Why come over here? Why is this over here? It's supposed to be on all the way on the other side. This is the food section, and this come all the way over here for them just to open it and put it right here and bounce. But look at this snack I'm about to have right now. I'm about to have this. If you don't eat while you shop, then I'm gonna eat while I'm shopping.
What's sloppy Joe? Wait. That's the cheapest sloppy Joe.
It's the same.
It's $18.
Oh, this one. Oh, I didn't even see this one. He said that's the cheapest one. I remember, years back,
10 for 10.
we thought, what this?
Yeah, it was 10
At a
for
time?
10. $10 for 10 of them.
And we thought the meat came in there. Yo, I was so mad. We were so mad.
That was depressing right there.
Because it's showing, what? And we didn't read.
It says
sauce.
It says just add meat. And I didn't look at that.
Oh.
Never looked at it.
It
Not
says
once.
Sloppy Joe sauce, and we think the freaking beef came in there with it. That
What
was,
did we ever do with all the sauce?
I don't know.
We ever use
We
it?
probably left them in the cupboard. That's funny. Oh, corned beef? No,
You be being here. Probably not.
sold out. Yeah, no Libby's. Not even the Walmart brand they don't got. Oh, you come the wrong time. Yeah, they don't got no corned beef.
Stuff on it?
I did not know they had this. It comes in. It's like it's flour, but it's when you're making fried chicken and stuff. I did not know they had this, and they had the seafood one too. Wow. Listen, I like the old-fashioned way. That's why.
What's the old fashioned thing? That one?
Yeah,
That's cool. I'm just saying to save you the time.
I get, but not for $4. I get my cornbread because baby, these cornbreads is everything.
You put the honey on top of it?
Yeah, that's what I do when I'm baking. Even though it's honey inside, even though it's honey inside, ain't there. Should I get another one? I want to get another one. Hold on.
You didn't get two?
Yeah, I need another one. It's cheap. 78 cents. You can't beat this. You don't want one? Oh yeah, forgot. You can't. You don't eat eggs. I hope we get a tray of eggs here because I need eggs badly. What the hell? They got Coca-Cola, Oreos. They're bugging.
Somebody buy my
Chocolate peanut butter pie. Might don't want this.
Did he never want peanut butter or dark chocolate?
Never want. You also get the same. Well, you switch up. You gonna get the golden Oreos, these one, or the regular ones.
The double stuff.
The double stuff or the lemon. He don't like the extra stuff.
lemon.
My son is like me. I don't like all these extra shit either.
Especially like that fudge. Man, if you make me fudge that, man.
with popping candy.
You gotta try it anyway. Instead of me leaving it on the grill, I put it right inside.
Pumpkin spice latte. Should I try this? Oh, it's chai latte.
It might be good with some toast.
That's about it. There's some hot sauce on my burrito, baby.
This is for
You know you look good to me. Woo! Rest in peace to Pops. This looks so freaking good. It's supposed to be burnt like that. Y'all see how they be doing on TikTok. It's supposed to be like that, yeah. This is my food right now. Look at my fingerprint on here. I hate black dishes because every time you touch it, it's like it's looking dirty. I don't like that because I washed it. But anyways, the burrito, a salad, and I use this sauce from Subway. Yeah, I'm gonna see this right now. This is how it's looking. My fake chocolate burrito. So I just try these, and they good. Is the only part of it it tastes exactly like the Coke. It's not that sweet. Well, the outer part is not sweet. Of course, the cream is sweet, but not too sweet. But it's, you know, it's sugary. But it's not bad. I actually thought it would be really sweet, but I like it. It's not that bad. I didn't even know that they had the soda too. What? I was just watching a video on TikTok about it, and I see that they had the soda too, Oreo soda. I didn't even know. I'll give it an 8. Tired. Working New York. Chill. I'm watching this on YouTube. I saw it on YouTube after I finished with the video. And I'm like, oh, let me see that. Morning, y'all. Happy Monday. It's Monday, October 7th. Having a snack bar. I'm heading to therapy. I have therapy at 10:30. It's now like 9:30 or something. But the bus coming right now. This is apple and mango. This tastes so good. I never thought about that combo though. Yeah, I put no wig on today. Today looks like it's about to rain, so I'm like, let me put this stocking cap on my head and a hat. I don't got time. I'm only going to be here for 30 minutes, so. This nigga came all the way down here instead of stopping up there. So I'm supposed to get off. You lucky I'm not late. That's why I didn't say shit. It's 10:07, so I'm early. So I'm let it, you know, I let it slide because as other people in the train, like, you know what I mean, other people in the bus say, why you ain't stop? It's a bus stop. This lady right here. It's a bus stop. You're supposed to stop. Why you ain't stop? Like, seriously, why the hell didn't you not stop? Like, what's wrong with you? I understand it's a morning time, but sir, it's your job. Hey, got nothing to do with me. It's only 2 blocks up. That's it. She's so arguing. She mad. I saw her though because stupid. See how the weather? You see how the day is looking? So just for the weather, because. So I know I said I was going to go back to using the CeraVe, but I'm going to stick to the kojic acid for hyperpigmentation, or the one that's for dark spot, because yeah, that one works for my face too, and it's cheaper than CeraVe, and we're going to work with whatever that's cheaper, especially if it's working, okay? So I'm going to stick to that for now. I need to send back the CeraVe though. I didn't send back yet. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm going to send it back. And I'm going to send back that week too. So I'm going to send it back tomorrow because they sent me the the return label for the Saturday, but I'm not going to the I'm not gonna go to the post office 2 times. So yeah, I'm going to do it tomorrow for both of them, the wig and the Saturday. One thing about me, I'm a cry, okay? I'm letting it all out. But now, therapy session went great. I have to come back next week on my mom's birthday. Hey y'all, I'm going to work right now. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.
I was